White man don waka o from Oyibo land carry bread enter inside Lagos o because of he hear say that the Yorubas he say hunger wey dey for Yoruba land now no be here. Now the man say no, my people will live by the bread alone. Now he pack bread come Nigeria o come dey share. They say the white man first pack Bible come. As he dey share the Bible, nobody gree mind am, nobody take the Bible from am. Now people tell am say no, before you people come with a bicycle, you deceive us. You come with the Bible, you deceive us. This one now na hunger. Go carry bread come o. The man go back, go carry bread come see where everybody dey for line dey collect bread. No be small thing. Even those wey no know wetin dey happen dey join the line as they hear say na bread. Oh, things are happening. As that one dey happen, now they come bring one river come show us say the river don dry finish now. Na hand now women take dey dig water dey come outside. Things are happening. All these things dey happen inside Yoruba land though. As we dey talk that one, they say many of Yoruba women don japa comot through way, through sea and land. They go for Libya and they shout to say this place where they waka e no good for them. Things they really happen for inside this country. I say for most of una we no know, una no know. As it be like this now, Asari Dokubo don come outside say he go expose everything wey he get with the Tinubu. Hey, don't read though. My people, this story go too sweet. Just stay tuned. They watch her one after the other. That is this prophet that always talk concerning it. Say when Biafra go come, when Biafra no go come. The guy don't talk another one. No. He say me Simon Ekpa carry chair go sit down je. Say very soon the law of karma go meet am. Now wetin talk o, no be me talk am. I go show you as it dey happen. My people, yeah, let us go and watch the videos of wetin dey happen for you Lagos. How the Yorubas now they line up, they collect bread for street because of the hardship wey dey.
This is Ajaway State. You can see a white man there sharing bread to people in Ajaway State. But this morning he shared a Bible. People were not online like this. The line was few, but now see bread line. See the white man. Can you see it? Can you see him? See people online. You see him in Ajaway State. This is Park Lane Hotel, near Park Lane Hotel, and this is Eleganza. So people see that's what people are shouting. Why? This man won't finish us before he will release this country for us. Can you see a white man sharing bread and Bible? See people jubilating.
It's not even available. The already changing, the already shooting, maybe. This is how they dig water here. This is the source of their water. This is how they do. This is how they get water here. This is how they get water here.
Inú desert rèé o, ẹjọ́ ṣàánú wa o. Mọ́tò la wà fún for the past 2 hours o. Nínú 2 hours there o. Mọ́tò la wà for the past 2 hours. Àrí everything o. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ti rí? Ó rèé o, ní mọ́tò la wà o.
Ọlọ́run tó etí ti náà, ṣẹ́ríkà ló gbé wa lọ o.
Ṣẹ́ríkà ni ṣẹ́ríkà là ń ṣe o.
Àwa ṣiṣẹ́ ni o.
Ó rèé o, ẹ ṣàánú wa o.
Torí Ọlọ́run, ànígbé sáájú o, gbọmọ Nàìjíríà tó wà lórí bí i.
All this information wey you dey see for there right now, na wetin dey happen for inside Yoruba land. Now I gather together, shey una, make una know as e take dey go. You don ready for this last one. nobody get solution. No, as they don't come outside, both Central Bank and the World Bank, all of them gather together, come tell us say, as it be like this now, say Nigeria economy has no solution till 15 to 10 years. Things are happening now. Even the Shetima, maybe the vice president, everybody will sit there for the house. All of them come put hand for head. They'll say, 10 years to 15 years. Now we go there for this offer. That's why they say nobody gets solution for waiting they happen now as it they go. Okay, my people. Now I'm going to show you the prophet where they talk concerning Mazi Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He say that as it be like this now, say Simon Ekpa say God no call and come outside. Say na him call himself come. You don't read. I will show you the video. May you watch before we come back and continue.
For I have also come to release Nnamdi Kanu from the prison, and I will have an agreement with him on the document. But I am not fully releasing the nation, but I am giving him preparation for the next move. But I will free him, for he will come, but he will not stay so long. He said, tell the man in Finland that is also claiming to be the second in command, to be in charge. Tell him to stop misleading my people. For if ye are ready to lead my people into Biafra, tell him to come to the nation to speak with his mind. For he has divided the tribe of the Igbos. They have died, and they have died enough. And you are still leading the people to death. For if ye wishes to take with you, he said, come back to the nation and fight for the cause. Don't kill the youth, or else I will take care of you myself. My choice is still with Nnamdi Kanu, for I will give him freedom, and he will sign the agreement paper with the Biafra, but not a total freedom, but a partial freedom. For he will sit in the nation, and he will speak, and he will rule from that part. Stop dividing my people in the name of freedom. Stop killing my people in the name of freedom. Stop destroying destinies I have raised to help the nations of the Igbos. Stop destroying them in the name of freedom. I will give you Biafra at my will, not at your panic. Stop killing my people. Come back and fight for your cause. I will put the nation on standstill, and I will prove your agitations will not change the nation, but my hand will change the nation. If you all will come back to the church, if you all will go on your knees and seek my face, not your leaders, for you have abused them, nothing will come from them. But I, the Lord, will give you a stand, and you shall stand still. Thus saith the Lord of hosts. I will free him. I will give him documents to sign, and I will give him half of the nation, but not a total freedom, until you all come to Christ. But he will not be the Moses. There will be a Joshua after him. For his life is already short. But I am raising a Moses that is coming. It is not the man outside the nation. The Moses is your leader, Nnamdi. But the Joshua you haven't seen, I will raise him up. And he will be your genuine leader that will lead you to your promised land without staining blood on his hand. Don't see it, the Lord of hosts. Yes, Lord. For the flesh is weak, but the spirit is strengthened. Lord, help me. Give me the strength to speak. Thank you, Lord Jesus. For the
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video and see as you take the talking for there, you don't read. Let's jump inside Asari Dokubo matter. May you see how Asari Dokubo then they cry nyao because of they say you don't shell it. As you don't shell it now, you don't read for Asari Dokubo. He say that tell the whole people what they do bunkering for inside the Niger Delta region. He say na the Nigeria Army, police, and even the president himself know what in they talk. Oh, you don't read. Let me play the video. May you watch before we come back and continue.
They should go and ask him. He's not dead. The president that they talk about. When I talk to president, since they don't want, make we keep secret. The press conference, the president tell me to go talk to press.
Asawana.
He don't tell me to talk anything, but he say talk to the press. Now I talk to the press. I talk to the press. If they ask me the root cause of bunkering for you, I don't know if it talk. The people when they do the bunkering, I don't know if it call them.
Why not? Why not?
So make I go there and say, nah, a job boys they do bunkering. Nah, Ikwere boys they do bunkering. No, Goni boys they do bunkering. I lie. Don't be job boys they do bunkering. All the fire depot there. Now people wait there for army. Now they pay them, let them go to the thing. They collect their home, they give the people peanuts. Everybody knows it. Because we are afraid. Because people are afraid, say they go do coup. You do coup.
Okay, my wonderful people, as it be like this now, and I saw you bio. My people, please, I want to beg you guys for something. If you watch this video, try to watch the next video I want drop, because that video is really touching. It's a really touching video that I want to show you people what is going on right now. And don't forget to follow this new page, Barabas Gist Vlog in Facebook, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share the video and drop your own opinion inside the comment section as it read though.